Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your Signal account, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So after you open the app, you have to click on your profile, which is at the top left corner, then click on the account and you can see with red delete account. So deleting your account will delete your account info and profile photo, delete all your messages. Now you have to enter your phone number and you have to select your country, and after that you have to click on the delete account and then you will be set. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.